Hi, Chibi.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Look at that.
Huh?
In front.
Oh, where are we? Where are you going?
Open.
So GB's in the store, guys, and he's looking for Henry's. Yes.
It's this way, guys.
Is it this way?
Yeah, I can see that.
Oh.
Guys, want to test the Hoover? Let's test it. Come on, let's
So GB wants another one.
let's test it. Daddy? It's locked. Guys, look. Guys, we got Andy.
This is shark.
Shocked. And look at that. Oh, baby. Oh, what a this is the tiny bit one. Guys, it don't work.
It doesn't work. I think it doesn't have any battery.
Let's check this.
This is very tiny, you know.
Mama, I need out. Oh, it's off.
Oh wow! Look, what's this?
I remember this one.
Huh?
I remember this Hoover. Guys, look at this. Look, Henry's carpet. This one.
Henry's? Is this Henry's too?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, but let's bring it. Guys, Henry. Guys, look, there's so much Hoover.
Too much hua. Yes.
You don't remember this Hoover?
You like this one?
You don't remember this Hoover?
Hmm.
Let's take this Hoover. And guys, I remember the second one. Guys, look. This is good.
Does this turn on? No, it doesn't.
Let's charge.
Okay, which one you want?
Let's check this one. First, let's test.
You want to test this one?
Yes. No,
This is
no.
called Dyson Engineered for deeper cleaning. Wow.
Oh, it
Oh, it
said
needs battery. It needs charging.
Oh, he said sorry, you have to put it in charging.
Yeah. It says GB Henry, please put this on charging, please.
Okay, let's see.
Let's see. Oh wow. These are wet and dry. This is by Samsung, Bissell and Samsung.
And this is the new.
No, I think it doesn't have any battery.
Not so long. Brand. Here is the brand. And look. Oh, the wire is off. Let's pull it. I don't know.
Wow, too many
And
Henrys.
this is the wash.
Oh, washing machine.
That's the
Oh wow, GB's hugging the Henrys.
Look, there's so much Henry.
Too much Henrys, yes.
Yes, and this is.
Okay, GB's in love with these washing machines now.
This is.
Oh wow, this is beautiful. Are you going to buy this for mommy?
And where's the pipe? I don't know where's the pipe.
What's the sound?
Okay. Oh, there's more washing machine.
There's more washing machine.
Guys, I have.
Guys, GB wants to buy a white Hoover he likes. And we're just looking for that.
Yep, another one. There's not
There's more who was there. Yes, keep on walking. There's more.
Not this one. I find it. Actually, no. See. Turn on.
You can't turn this one
Why?
because it's off. Look, it's off.
Let's see it. I'll find it. Oh, there's more. There's more. There's more. Oh, there's more. Okay, let's go. Put this.
Let me help you, darling.
Okay.
This is how it goes.
And you.
Guys, GB is looking something like this in white color. We've seen it online.
Another carpet.
Another carpet. We're just looking for that. I don't know where
Henry, I'll find Henry.
is it. You find Henry?
What's this in lines left?
We are looking for that, and I don't know where is it. But we're definitely buying it today, and GB's taking it home.
I have one at home.
You wanna?
Mommy, I'm telling them. Guys, I'm gonna write Hoover.
White Hoover? Okay.
I'll find it.
You find it? No, this is not the one.
What's this?
Okay, we just asked somebody in the staff. They going to check
You came in.
in their stock if it's available. And meanwhile, we are just exploring. And he liked the Bosch one, but they don't have a sample in store. Oh wow!
It's a rock. Okay.
Uh-oh, the filter's open.
Is it in there?
It's not working. I think it's charging. What about this one?
Let's open this one.
Huh? We'll put this back. Oh, see daisies.
Okay.
This is not also working because it's charging. It needs charging. Let's put it back.
See? It's telling this. Oh, let's take this out. Let's see this.
Oh, it's an empty box. Empty box. They'd probably be in the big storage.
Instruction.
Okay, I think we need to go to the tails now to check your check your Hoover. Yes.
No, let's.
GB specifically wanted the white one, and we're just gonna go to the tails.
So,
Wow, too many Henrys again. Wow. Wow.
and guys, look how.
Okay, let's go to the trails and get your Hoover. It's ready to collect, and let's go home and open it. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go to the tails.
Guys, let's go.
Come on, let's go to the tails. GB, now where are you going?
Guys, look. Let's go.
Okay, guys, so GB spotted because it's half-term holidays. In Smith Toys, they've got a Peppa Pig bus, afternoon tea bus tour for Peppa Pig fans, and we are off there now. And after that, we bought the Hoover, and GB's gonna explore the Peppa Pig bus, and then when we get home, then we're going to open the Hoover. Yes, and it's there. Wow. Okay, guys, GB's a bit sad because they didn't let him in because we didn't have the tickets. We had to buy the tickets, and I didn't know. And yeah, we're just off to. We're going home now, and
See my Hoover.
to see your Hoover. Yes, we're gonna open his Hoover, the one we bought. Yeah,
The white
the white one. Yes.
guys.
So let's go. It's okay. Next time when the bus tour is here, then we can go again. Yeah? Come on, let's go home and have fun with your Hoover, new Hoover.